Previously we were looking at the simplification of sets. This time we will look at rationalizing of sets. So the other time we had said that sets, when you simplify sets, for example, when you are given a question like now 1 minus, let's say you are told 1 minus root of 3 multiplied by 1 plus root of 3. So you add, so simplifying this one, you can make root of 3 be, for example, let's say x. So to make it easier, so that's why we introduce a letter to make it easier. So you say 1 minus x, so multiply by again 1 plus x. So you open the brackets, it will be here 1 plus, so 1 here, 1 multiplied by x here will be x, so minus x here, minus x squared. So this one will cancel each other out, so it will be 1 minus x squared, which will be now this x squared. Now you replace the root of 3 now, so it will be root of 3 squared. So it will be now, this one will cancel each other, so this one will be now 1 minus now 3. The answer will be negative 2. So that was simplifying the sets. Now we want to rationalize the sets. So rationalizing a set, so for example, when you are given an example like now, root of 14, you divide it by root of 7 minus root of 2. So rationalizing this set, so you can choose a simple method. So let's say by saying, so you can make root of 7 be, for example, x, let's say x, then root of 2 be, for example, let's say y. So root of 14 divided by root of 7 now, which we had said we make it x, so it will be x minus, so y. So you now multiply the numerator, this numerator, and the denominator by this one. So you multiply it, so here multiply by x minus y, multiply here by x minus y. So you'll get, so x multiplying, so it's like now x minus y multiplied by root of 14. So it will be now x root of 14, so this is negative, so it will be minus y root of 14, then you divide it by, so you now multiply x minus y and x minus y, and then this x minus y, so it will be, so x square here minus xy, so minus again xy, so plus y square, because negative y multiplied by negative y will be positive. So it will be now x square minus 2xy plus y square. So now, so x root of 14 minus y root of 14, you divide it by x square minus 2xy, so plus y square. So when now you have collected the like terms at these points, so you now replace that x and y, so you replace the x and y. So now that root, you had already said x is root of 7 and y is this is root, and then y is root of 2. So you now replace it. So x here will be root of 7. So root of 7 multiplying by root of 14 here will give you, so it's like now, let's say root of 7 multiplying by root of 14 will give you root of 90. It will give you root of 98. So it will be now, okay, it will be now root of 98, then root of 98 minus this y now. So y is the root of 2. So root of 2 multiplying by root of 14. So y is root of 2 multiplying by root of 14 will give you root of 28. So, and then divide by now this one now. So x squared. So divided by now x squared. So x squared is like now you are saying root 7 square. So that square will cancel the what? That root. That root is like square root. So square root and a square. So we'll cancel each other. So it will be 7. So 7, it will be now 7. 7 now minus here minus 2 into, so xy. So xy is like multiplying root of 7 multiplied by root of 2 multiplied by root of 7, which will be root of 14. So root of 14, then plus now y squared. So plus, so y squared now will be, so we had already said the square will remove what? This root, so it will be 2. So it will be root of 98 minus root of 28. Divide now, so you sum up this one, you collect now like terms. So it will be 7 plus 2. So it will be 9 minus 2. So 2 multiplied by root of 14 will be 2 root of 14. So this is rationalized. So now that this one can be simplified, so this root of 98 you can simplify it. So like saying now root of 98 you can simplify it. It can be simplified further. So it will be now root of 49 multiplied by 2, root of 2. So root of 49 is 7. So it will be 7 root of 2. So minus, so root of 28 will be now, so root of 28 will be 4, root of 4 multiplied by root of 7. Root of 4 multiplied by root of 7. So root of 4 already is 2. So it will be 2 root of 7. So this one will be 2 root of 7 divided by, so 9 minus 2 root of 14. So root of 14 cannot be simplified further. So your answer will be now 7 root of 2 minus 2 root of 7 divided by 9 minus 2 root of 14.